Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings and going straight to accessibility, then display and text size. Once there, toggle color filters on so the display reacts. You'll see presets like grayscale, red/green, green/red, and blue/yellow. Pick the one closest to your need. Make sure to view sample images beneath the switches so you can judge effect. This step changes how the entire screen renders colors, not just photos, so take a moment to choose the general category you want. Once you've chosen a filter type, adjust intensity to set strength. Move the hue slider when using color tint to shift the color cast precisely. You'll want to test with real content, open photos, Safari, or your most used app so you can see practical results. If colors look overcorrected, reduce intensity in small increments until comfortable. Keep in mind some apps render custom colors differently, so test several common screens so the filter works across everything you use. Finish by assigning color filters to the accessibility shortcut so you can triple-click the side or home button to toggle it instantly. Test by toggling on and off across several apps to confirm consistent behavior. If the filter doesn't apply, restart the iPhone and confirm iOS is up to date. Outdated builds can glitch accessibility features. One troubleshooting tip: if colors still misbehave, reset display and text size settings and reconfigure the filter. This clears any conflicting customizations that block the effect.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.